Okay. So, ito yung magiging practical nyo. Meron kayong digit 1, tapos digit 2. Tapos, yung sum lang nila dapat mapupunta dito. Or, yung result nila is dito madi-display. So, run natin. So, for example, ayan, since wala pa tayong input, output natin 0, 0 pa rin. So, kapag nag-input tayo ng 1, dapat 1 din yan. So, mag-input tayo ng 3, 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. Pag nag-input tayo dito sa kabila naman ng 1, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So, mag-input tayo ng plus 1 plus 4. So, 5. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So, dapat, for example, since ang presentation is dapat ganito. So, for example, enough ko muna lahat. So, 1, magpupunta to ng 1, 2, magiging 2 to, 3, 4, ayan, 4, 4, 5, tapos 6, 7, ayan, ayan, 7 plus 0 is equals to 7 lang naman, 7, 8, 9, ayan, 9, mali, 9, since hanggang 9 lang madi-display na to, stop na dito sa 9. So, 9 plus 0 equals to 9. So, 9 plus 1 naman, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 9 plus 2, and 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. 9 plus 3, medyo matagal lang siya mag-load, equals to 12. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, tagal na mag-load. And 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. 9 plus 6, and 9 plus 6 equals to 15. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. And 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. Tapos lastly, 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Okay?